Negative question. Does he not do? Did he not do? Will he not do? Is he not? Is he not doing? Was he not? Was he not doing? Will he not be? Will he not be doing? Does he not have? Has he not done? Did he not have? Had he not done? Will he not have? Will he not have done? Has he not been? Has he not been doing? Had he not been? Had he not been doing? Will he not have been? Will he not have been doing? Must he not do? Must he not be? Must he not be doing? Must he not have? Must he not have done? Must he not have been? Must he not have been doing? Can he not do? Can he not be? Can he not be doing? Could he not have? Could he not have done? Could he not have been? Could he not have been doing? May he not do? May he not be? May he not be doing? May he not have? May he not have done? May he not have been? May he not have been doing? Is he not called? Was he not called? Will he not be called? Is he not being called? Was he not being called? Has he not been called? Had he not been called? Will he not have been called? Must he not be called? Must he not have been called? Can he not be called? Could he not have been called? May he not be called? May he not have been called?